Imagine holding a camera that doesn't just capture the moment but predicts it. A machine so fast it makes the original R7 look like a relic from a bygone era. For years, the photography world has been locked to be. Is APS-C dead? Or was it just waiting for a king to reclaim throne? Well, the wait is over. The rumors have shifted from whisper to a roar, and the technical blueprints are finally leaking. Welcome to the era of the Canon EOS or Civ Mark II. The many are one that is about to change everything you thought you knew about crop sensor photography. If you are a wildlife photographer, a sports enthusiast, or a hybrid creator looking for that perfect balance of reach and raw power, you need to stop what you're doing and listen closely. What I'm about to reveal today isn't just a spec sheet update. We are talking about a true architectural shift. A sensor that defies the laws of rolling shutter, a processor that thinks faster than the human eye, and video capabilities that threaten Canon's own cinema line. In this video, we are going deeper than anyone else has gone. We are breaking down why this camera is the most significant release for Canon in the last 5 years. We will look at the game-changing 39-megapixel stack sensor, the mysterious digic accelerator chip, and why the dual card slot configuration is finally silencing the critics. If you've been thinking about upgrading to full frame just to give better autofocus or speed, hold that thought and your wallet. The R7 Mark II might just be the reason you stay with APS-C forever. Let's start with the heart of the beast. The sensor. For the longest time, the biggest enemy of the R7 user was the jello effect. You're tracking a bird in flight, you're using the ultra shutter for that cell in 30 frames per second, and suddenly the wings look like they're made of rubber. That was the limitation of the traditional CMOS sensor. But for the Mark II, Canon is reportedly bringing the big guns. We are looking at a 39.1 megapixel back-illuminated stacked CMOS sensor. Now, why does stacked matter so much? In a standard sensor, the pixels and the processing circuits are on the same layer. It's like a crowded hallway where everyone is trying to get out at once. A stacked sensor moves the processing to its own dedicated layer right behind the pixels. This allows for a readout speed that is near instantaneous. We are talking about our R5 Mark II and our R1 levels of speed in a crop sensor body. This means rolling shutter is effectively dead. You can shoot at maximum burst rates with a silent shutter and never worry about distorted backgrounds or warped action again. But it's not just about speed. It's about the resolution. 39 megapixels an APS-C sensor is a sweet spot that creates a pixel density far higher and even a 60 megapixel full-frame camera. When you put a 600mm lens on this body, you aren't just getting 600mm. You're getting the equivalent of nearly 1000mm of reach with enough detail to crop in even further. This is the reach advantage that makes the R7 Mark II the ultimate weapon for birders and safari photographers. But a sensor is only as good as the brain behind it. Enter the digic accelerator. For the first time in an APS-C body, Canon is expected to pair the Digic X processor with a secondary accelerator chip.